Yes, guys, welcome back. It's me, Trip Nicolas. So again, another, sorry, it's not unboxing. Because you will notice that most of my videos is unboxing and review. Medyo limited lang yung comparison ko. But today, this video is comparison with these two iconic laceless sneakers. So later on, i-reveal natin kung ano yung dalawang iconic laceless sneakers na yon, because I'm trying to search some sort of videos and then article. Wala akong makita comparison with these two. So kaya naisipan ko, sabi ko, why not? Try kong gawa ng comparison kasi even me, gusto kong itry kasi hinahype nila yung isa, and so on. So ngayon, sinubukan ko, nag-purchase ako nitong tigisang pair ng shoes na to, and then tinry ko for how many weeks? Almost, I think, a month. Yeah, tinry ko. Medyo naluma na nga eh. So, nag-enjoy. Parang ganun. So, yun. Yun guys, welcome back. It's me, Trip Nicolas. So nandito na siya ngayon. Yung dalawang iconic shoes na i-compare natin, which is better. So ito na siya. Isang Converse laceless sneakers, and then Onitsuka Tiger laceless sneakers. They are both laceless. So okay, I don't want to consume much of your time because this is just only a quick comparison, and we're discussing only 3 items. 3 items only, or 3 things na i-share ko sa inyo based sa experience ko dito sa dalawang iconic shoes na to. Okay? So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's start! So, ito na. So, first thing first, actually, lahat ng i-mention ko guys dito nga pala before we start is based sa personal experience ko. Parehas silang maganda, parehas silang okay. Wala akong masabi dito sa dalawang shoes na to. But the thing is, kailangan nating pumili ng isa. Isa lang ang mananalo. Okay? So, later on, malalaman natin kung sino dito sa dalawa. Okay? So, let's start now. First thing first, let's discuss with the price range. Of course, mag-iba sila ng presyo. But before that nga pala, I give you some sort of introduction regarding the kailan sila na-establish. So, way back 1908, na-establish si Converse, and then 1949 si Onitsuka Tiger, Japanese company, and then this one is US company. Anyways, so let's start now. First thing first, I just wanted to discuss first with the price, of course. Syempre, number 1 yan, presyo. So, pag-uusapan natin ng presyo, mas cheap si Converse, because dito sa amin nagre-range si Converse is 250 reals, and then si Onitsuka Tiger is 375. So of course, if we're talking about the price, mas mababa si Converse. Okay, so Converse is winner for this one. And then the second one, of course, usapan naman natin is ano nga ba? Looks, of course, syempre, kailangan medyo maganda, pansinin, malupit, and then, wow. Of course, yung pogi points ba. So, if we're talking about sa looks, just go for this one. Kasi, ang dami kong nare-receive na compliments for this one. Ang ganda naman ng shoes mo. Ang cute naman yan. Ang ganda ng kulay or whatever. So, just go for this one. Hindi kayo magkakamali dito. Although, medyo pricey siya, pagdating sa price, medyo mahal, but the thing is, panalo si Onitsuka Tiger. Go for this one. Okay? And the last one, the final one is comfortability. Of course, yun yung pinaka-importante kasi gamit natin siya for what you call that? Gamit natin siya for the whole day. Of course, 8 hours, especially pagka nasa office tayo, gamit natin siya. Sinong mas komportable sa kanila? So, comfortability, I go for Converse. Yep. Grabe siya, mas komportable ako sa kanya. So, by the way nga pala, size 8 lang to, no? And heads up lang, kung bibili kayo ng laceless, dapat yung sakto lang sa sa paa nyo. Kasi pagka medyo nag-adjust kayo or niluagan nyo ng half size, hindi na siya fit sa inyo. Maluwag na siya. So, dapat yung sakto lang. Kung ano yung size nyo talaga, if 8, size 8, just go for size 8. Okay, so moving on. For comfortability is go for this one. I'm not saying na hindi siya komportable. Actually, malupit din si Onitsuka Tiger. Komportable din yung paa ko dito. Walang kasakit-sakit sa paa. And so on and so forth. Maganda. Ang difference itong dalawa na to is yung sole niya. Yan. The reason why, I go for Converse is just because mas makapal yung sole niya compared dito kay Onitsuka Tiger. Kasi in long term, pagka ginamit ko siya for how many weeks? Almost 1 month. Actually, luma na nga eh. Talagang sinubukan ko talaga siya. And nag-experiment ako for how many hours and so on ang lakad. But, mas komportable talaga si Converse. Mas okay talaga to compare with Onitsuka. So, yun lang. Si Converse, pagkagamit mo siya for 3 hours, 4 hours, nakasuot sa paa, tapos lumalakad ka. Same lang siya, walang difference. Masarap pa rin sa paa. Yung memory foam niya, yung pad niya, is okay siya, hindi siya nababago. But the thing is, pag si Onitsuka ang gamit nyo, grabe. After a few hours, mararamdaman nyo kagad para kang lumalakad sa flooring. Ang tigas niya. Guys, I'm not saying na don't buy this one. I'm not saying. So, they are both nice sneakers. Maganda siya. Komportable. Yun lang ang isang na-notice ko sa kay Onitsuka Tiger. I think it's just because yun nga, yung sole niya, yung memory foam niya is hindi ganun kakapal. I don't know just comment down below kung na-experience nyo rin yung ganun, yung medyo may katigasan yung sole ni Onitsuka Tiger. But the end of the day guys, as I mentioned, dun sa intro natin, lahat ng na-share ko dito is based lang sa experience ko kasi I have these 2 pair of sneakers. So that's why. And then, kayo pa rin na magde-decide kung alin ang mas gusto nyo. Ito sinashare ko lang sa inyo is para magkaroon kayo ng idea, ay, matigas pala sa paa si Onitsuka Tiger. Ayoko doon kay Converse. Ay, parang mas komportable yung paa ko kay Onitsuka Tiger kaysa kay Converse. As I mentioned before, this is for my own experience. This is dalawang iconic shoes na to. So for final thoughts, again, I go for Converse. Yeah. Matindi to si Converse. Kita. Yep. Okay siya. So, si Onitsuka Tiger is okay siya for looks, for pogi points, ganyan. Kasi napaka-simple. And then regarding sa materials sa ginamit nila, pareha silang canvas. So, again, and then if we're talking about sa pabilisan magsuot, talagang ibang laceless, guys. Iba siya, hindi ka na yung tipong magtatali pa or whatever. Ready to go for short. So, once nakita mo, kinuha mo siya dun sa shurak mo, tapos suot mo lang siya. That's it. And then, wala ka nang iniisip na, na natanggal yung tali or what. So, napakabilis niya and then komportable. Okay, guys? So, I think that's it for today. As I mentioned, this is just only a quick comparison kung ano yung almost difference yung dalawa. So, simple lang and then maiksi lang yung video natin. So, that's it for today, guys. Again, maraming salamat po sa hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga new upload ko. And sa mga new unboxing and review and like this video comparison para po ma-notify kayo. And again, maraming salamat po. See you later. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar.